Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given an equation and from here we have to find the value of b. So the equation is 3b minus 4 upon 2 minus of minus 3b plus 2 upon 5 equals 0.2b plus 100.8 upon 10. This upon further calculation. So the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Now 10 when divided by 2 will produce 5. So 5 multiplied by 3b minus 4, so it will become 15b minus 20. Again 10 when divided by 5 will produce 2. So 2 multiplied by minus of 3b is minus 6b, and minus of 6b multiplied by minus of 1 will become plus 6b, right? And 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and 4 multiplied by minus of 1 is minus of 4, which is equal to 0.2b plus 100.8 upon 10. So 10 and 10 will cancel out each other. So we will have 15b plus 6b, which is 21b. Shift 0.2b to the left hand side, so it will be minus of 0.2b, which will be equals 100.8, and shift all the constant terms from the left hand side to the right hand side. So in the left hand side we have minus of 20 minus 4, which is minus 24. It will become plus 24 when shifted to the right hand side. So 100.8 plus 24, which is equals 124.8, and 21b minus 0.2b will be equals 20.8b, which is equals 124.8. Divide both sides of the equality by 20.8, so b will be equals 124.8 divided by 20.8, which is equals 6. Therefore b equals 6 will be the required final answer. Thank you and have a great day.